watching this kid mature right before our own eyes. He is really a pleasure to watch. We've talked about the curveball quite a bit. He even said himself, he can throw it now at any time for a strike.
High fly ball right center field. A long run for Maben. And he slides, makes the catch. Here's the throw back to first. Not in time. Yes, it is. What a throw by Maben. 1-2. Struck him out. That's a good spot to pick up your first punch out. Strike 3 called. He's off. Ball 4. No, strike 3. And then the throw by Grandal goes all the way into center field on the fly. Didn't even come close. Got him. The deuce up as Jesse Hahn strikes out the side in the 3rd. And he gets Bruce, and that would tie Andy Bennis. That's his 32nd strikeout. First 5 games. Strike. And there it is. His 6th strikeout tonight. 33 in his first 5 games. No Padre pitcher, rookie pitcher, has ever done that. Got him. How about that? As Jesse Hahn strikes out the side in the 3rd and punches them out in order again in the 4th. Strike 3. 8 strikeouts for Jesse Hahn.
We saw this earlier. We're going to peek in again. What is he? Is he going to go to number 2? Oh, he's going to drop the deuce on him right here.
Yes, and he strikes him out. His 9th strikeout. And in his brief career, that is his career high. Jesse Hahn, more and more, appearing to be the real deal.
It's a good night in the big leagues for Jesse Hahn.
9 strikeouts, chance to win his 4th in 4 starts.